Hello, Brown there. Isaac Brown. I'm about to play this unnamed train level, which I'm gonna call Gold Train, like Soul Train, but it's this gold puns. But anyways, this level only appears after you collect every time you collect 25 flagpoles, or I think you beat the final boss. But anyway, let's jump into this and let's hop to it. This is my favorite stage. Well, one of my favorite stages on this game. You can get so many lives on here. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit stingy. Oh yeah, you crouch, you could get inside Koopa shells. And the only way to get out is you let go of the dash button. Back to having crown lives. What's up, Toad? I think on any run, I think you could get like, I believe you could get 8 lives from this if you actually try. Like I needed that. By the way, they would make for a good picture and make it as a profile picture for something. And then I hate the slot machines, but let's see if I can do this. Well, I got 1 life. Not that it matters, but I got crown. And remember, it will disappear after you play it, even if you die. So, yeah, collect 25 more flagpoles or beat the final boss. I'm not sure about the final boss, but I am sure about the 25 flagpoles. The Runaway guys explained that, and I checked it out, and yes, it was true. Anyway, guys, see you guys around. Like and comment on what you guys think of that level.